Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Admiralty and this is the South Island Line platform. And today we will be taking the full journey again on the South Island Line. There's a reason for this video. Today, when you're watching this video today, the video is uploaded on December 28th, which is the 4th anniversary for the South Island Line. It opened back in 2016, 4 years now. So December 28, 2016 is the opening date of this line. So that's why we're doing an anniversary full journey today. Admiralty to South Horizons. And actually I filmed this video just to say, if you guys don't read the description down below, I filmed this on Christmas Day. Today is December 25 for me, so there are quite a lot of people over here. So we'll wait for the train. And here's the train. I actually have a big question. Is this platform ever used? This platform 6? Because always the trains comes on platform 5, but not platform 6. Has platform 6 ever been used? I actually don't know, but here's the train. Here we are. You see how many, you see there are so many people on it. We'll get in and full journey.
Please stand back from the platform doors. 請勿靠近幕門，請不要靠近木門。Please stand back from the platform doors.
Here we go, full journey. Now next station is Ocean Park, but Ocean Park yet again is closed due to the severeness of COVID-19. But yet the stations will not be closed because for Ocean Park station, one exit is for Ocean Park, but there are some other exits for other places, so that's why it is not closed. Here we are going out.
小心月台空隙，请小心月台的空隙。Please mind the gap.
Here's Ocean Park. We will not turn and skip for it.
Stand back from the train doors. 於香港，促進殘疾人士享有平等的權利，能夠自立自主咁喺無障礙嘅社區生活，獲取資訊，參與社會。
下一站黃竹坑，下一站黃竹坑。Next station 黃竹坑。
共建最愛社會。多人十兩站，以新嘅最大約40分機器，就有3站嘅。內地多項設施正利用生物科技醫療技術嘅聚集和元素，配合咗穩定同不同嘅出一，可以幫助身邊受關注嘅身旁邊人士，以及入嘅出現嘅正面嘅。
Here's Changchun.
Next station, Leitung.
Here's Leitung. Alright, there it goes, crossing the turnback sliding.
海一半岛，这是南港岛线的终点站，谢谢乘搭港铁。South Horizons, end of the South Island line. Thank you for travelling.
Here is South Horizons. And I actually won't get off, so I'm just going to have a quick look outside and we'll end the video. Here's South Horizons. And we won't wait for the train to leave, so that's why we'll end it right here. Remember to like and subscribe down below, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on the card up top for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!